If you want to carry a water bottle in a cage on a bike that doesn't have water bottle lugs or cage on it, you can use a Velcro version. So this company called Two Fish makes a water bottle cage. You can see it's even made in the USA, which is where I live. And it's got a big long Velcro strap and a rubber bumper in there that holds onto your frame, and then a traditional water bottle cage. You can see on this awesome Ghost Cat e-bike, I've got it snapped onto the front suspension there. So it's just Velcroed on there, holding my water bottle in place. If I get thirsty, glug, 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 put it back. Because that's a bike that's hard to put water bottles on. And then these folding bikes, you have a similar problem, but there are a lot of tall surfaces on a traditional folding scooter like this one, where you can just find a tall spot. In most cases, the handlebars is a great place to go. So you just unhook the Velcro like that, and then you press the rubber up against the frame, and it has enough friction where it's going to stay pretty much where you put it if you strap it down tight, and then get it into the position you want it, pull it back, and you can see how much extra Velcro there is. And that's a good thing in case you want to strap it onto a longer thing. If you only are going to use it on this bike, then you can cut it off with scissors and keep it short. There's a good look at how the rubber's grabbing on and how sturdy it is in place. Put your water bottle in there, and then you are ready to ride.